Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a set of letters that represent different numbers, and they are used slightly differently to how we use our own numbers. So to make a 3, there is no Roman letter or numeral for 3, so you need to make 3 by using 3 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes 3. Now, you could make 4 by using 4 ones, but Romans did this differently. They did this by taking this. Now, this is worth a 5. So, in fact, 5 is just worth a V. But to make a 4, we take a 1. Now, if we place the 1 here, it subtracts 1 from the 5. So, it's the same as having minus 1 add 5. So, IV makes 4. Now, let's look at 18. Now, I know that I'm going to need a 10 for an X for my 10. I can use a V for my 5. That makes 15. And then I need to take 1 for 16, 2 for 17, and 3 for 18. 10 plus 5 plus 3 makes you 18. Now 19, we can use a 10, and we can use another 10. Now that the two x's together make 20, but I don't want this one to be worth 10. I want to make this worth 9. And a bit like what we did before with the 4, I'm going to take a 1 and put it before the x. So now we've got 10 add 9. And 10 add 9 makes 19. And finally, for 20, this is much easier. We just take an x that makes 10, and another x that makes 10, and 10 and 10 make 20.